Controlled receiving protects sensitive electronics from damage before production. Scanning establishes full traceability for each incoming lot.
Incoming inspection verifies critical dimensions and cosmetic quality.
Quarantine prevents unapproved material from entering the line.
The temperature profile on the reflow oven looks good.
Agreed. We are ready for mass production.
Verified feeder setup ensures correct components are placed on each board.
Automated placement ensures speed and accuracy for dense gaming PCBs.
Precision placement is essential for high-power gaming components.
Reflow soldering permanently bonds components to the motherboard.
Automated optical inspection catches assembly defects early.
Depaneling creates individual boards ready for electrical testing. In-circuit testing verifies component values and solder integrity. Only electrically verified boards move forward in the process. Defective electronic material is segregated for compliant recycling. Controlled transfer protects verified boards before system assembly. Controlled torque protects boards and ensures long-term reliability.
Verified battery connection ensures safe power delivery.
Efficient cooling is critical for high-performance gaming laptops.
Uniform torque ensures optimal thermal contact.
High-speed storage is installed to meet gaming performance requirements.
Secure wireless connections support reliable connectivity. Careful ribbon handling prevents input failures.
Accurate alignment ensures smooth user interaction.
Precise hinge torque balances durability and smooth motion. Secure display connections prevent intermittent video issues.
Controlled fastening maintains structural integrity.
Cosmetic inspection ensures premium appearance standards.
Initial power on confirms basic electrical integrity.
Functional testing verifies core gaming hardware performance.
Display checks ensure visual performance meets specification.
Audio testing confirms clear sound reproduction. Input verification ensures reliable user control. Comprehensive functional testing continues before EOL release.
RF testing verifies stable wireless performance.
Thermal testing confirms cooling response under load. Battery tests ensure safe and reliable power operation.
Passing units are released with documented test results.
Non-conforming units are isolated for controlled rework. Targeted rework corrects issues without affecting other assemblies.
Retesting confirms the corrective action was effective. Unique serial numbers ensure full product traceability. Protective packing prevents damage during transport. Correct accessories ensure immediate customer usability. Sealing and weight checks confirm complete and secure packaging. External labels support logistics and compliance. Master cases streamline handling and shipment. Organized flow prepares finished goods for palletization. Consistent palletizing protects products during transport. Wrapping stabilizes loads for safe handling and shipping. Racked storage protects finished goods until shipment.
Packaging waste is sorted for compliant recycling. Electronic waste is segregated for licensed recycling.
Staging organizes pallets for efficient loading. Controlled loading protects products during transit. EHS controls support safe and compliant operations.
Finished products depart the factory under controlled conditions.
ESD controls protect sensitive electronics throughout production.
An integrated process delivers reliable gaming laptops at scale.
Archived records preserve traceability and compliance.
Retention units enable future quality investigations if needed.
Service parts ensure long-term customer support. Measured sustainability improves environmental performance.
The production system stands ready for the next build cycle.
Closing work orders finalizes the production cycle. Audit units support regulatory and certification requirements.
Idle stations indicate testing is complete for the batch.
The production run concludes under controlled conditions.
That's the last tray from this rack. Good. Let's get this card moving back to central storage now.
Pre-staging supports efficient future changeovers.
Non-recyclable waste is stored for compliant disposal.
All stages connect into a controlled manufacturing system.
Certified systems support consistent and lawful production.
Set logistics areas maintain readiness for future shipments.
Monitoring energy use supports efficient factory operations.
The manufacturing cycle is fully complete and documented.
Accurate documents ensure smooth downstream logistics.
Document handover. Secure handover maintains shipment traceability. Document control complements physical shipment already completed.
Outbound logistics conclude the delivery process. The production and delivery cycle ends under controlled conditions. Cleared pallet zones maintain order and safety.
Idle ESD stations indicate production has fully stopped.
Documented maintenance supports readiness for the next run. Secured waste areas ensure compliant handling after operations. The factory enters a safe shutdown state. Safety systems remain active after production hours. Planned collection ensures compliant waste disposal.
Storage areas are reset and ready for future production.
Supply checks ensure uninterrupted future operations.
Formal approval closes the quality record for the build.
The site remains orderly between production runs.
All stages of production, testing, and delivery are complete.
Factory stands ready for the next gaming laptop build.